Good morning everyone, welcome to my channel TEMS. Today I am going to teach you class 10, third chapter metals and non-metals. So if you are a class 10 student or a government job seeking aspirant like UPSC, you may find this useful. So please subscribe my channel and select the bell icon, and if you find my video useful, please like it. So let's start. Metals and non-metals. The first property which I am going to tell about metals and non-metals is malleability. What is malleability? Malleability means it's a property where metals are can be converted into thin sheets. Okay, malleability means metals can be converted into thin sheets. Now what is ductility? Ductility means metals can be converted into thin wires. Okay, so the most ductile metal is gold. 1 gram of gold can be converted into thin wire of 2 kilometer. Okay, now best conductor. Base conductor are silver and copper, and poor conductor are lead and mercury. So best conductor are silver and copper, and poor conductor are lead and mercury. Okay. Now sonorous. What is sonorous? Sonorous means SONOROUS. Sonorous means sound by metals on striking on a hard surface. The sound produced by the metals on striking on a hard surface is known as sonorous. Now non-metals. Non-metals can be solid or gas. The only liquid non-metal is bromine. So the only liquid non-metal is bromine. Okay. Now mercury is liquid metal. Remember, okay, mercury is a liquid metal. Now gallium and caesium has low melting point. Gallium and caesium has low melting point. So just because they have low melting point, so it catches fire. Now non-metal which is lustrous. Generally metals are lustrous, non-metal are not lustrous, but the only non-metal which is lustrous is iodine. So lustrous non-metal is iodine. Now carbon exists in different forms. So what it is called? If carbon exists a different form, it is known as allotrope. 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 Like diamond and graphite. Diamond is hard, high melting point and high boiling point. Graphite is good conductor of electricity. Now lithium, sodium and potassium have low density. Why? Because it can be cut by knife. So lithium, potassium and sodium has low density and it can be cut by knife. So metals, now reactivity with metal and non-metal. Metals, metals can be reacted with basic oxide, and non-metal can be reacted with acid oxides. So metal can be reacted with basic oxide and non-metal can be reacted with acidic oxide. But like Al2O3 and ZNO can be reacted with both acidic and basic, and this is known as amphoteric oxide. Now what is anodizing? Anodizing means in the anode there will be aluminum particle and the electrolyte will be H2SO4 and oxide will get collected in the anode. Okay, now metal plus water is metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. So metal plus water gives metal oxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay. Now metal oxide plus hydrogen plus water gives metal hydroxide. Now metal oxide plus water gives metal hydroxide. Okay. Now, so potassium and sodium react violently with cold water, and this reaction is known as exothermic reaction, and it catches fire. Now I am coming to noble gases, metals and non-metals. Helium, neon and argon are noble gases. Helium has atomic number 2, neon has atomic number 10 and argon has atomic number 8. Okay, so helium atomic number 2, neon atomic number 10 and argon atomic number 18. Okay, these are called noble gases. These are called noble gases. Now, metals: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, potassium, calcium. Sodium has atomic number 11. Sodium atomic number 11. Magnesium atomic number 12. Aluminum atomic number 13. Potassium atomic number 19. Calcium atomic number 20. Now, non-metals. Non-metals are nitrogen atomic number 7, oxygen atomic number 8, fluorine atomic number 9, phosphorus atomic number 15, sulfur atomic number 16, chlorine atomic number 17. So now I will come to next topic. The next topic is the compound formed in the manner by the transfer of electrons from a metal to a non-metal are known as ionic compounds or electrovalent compounds. Where an electron from a metal gets transferred to non-metal, it is known as ionic compounds or electrovalent compound. Now, I am coming to the reactivity series. The reactivity series, just remember this reactivity series, it is important. The most reactable metal is potassium. Okay, the sign is K. Then sodium, then calcium, then magnesium, then aluminum. These are the highly reactive metal. Now, in the middle portion which comes is Zn, that is zinc, Fe, iron, Pb, lead, Cu, copper, and then the last is Ag and Au. Au is least reactive, that is gold. Okay, now I am coming to ore. Concentration of ore. Ore. Now, metals of high, there is a division of 3: metals of high reactivity, metals of medium reactivity, metals of low reactivity. Highly reactivity metals can be, the ore can be extracted by electrolysis of molten ore, then pure metal can be extracted. Now, of metals of medium reactivity, there are two kind of ore: carbonate ore and sulfide ore. Carbonate ore can be extracted by calcination and sulfide ore can be extracted by roasting. Then oxide of metal comes, and then reduction of the metal, then purification of metal, we will get the ore. Now, metals of low reactivity comes with sulfide ore, and then roasting can be done, and metal, and then refining. Now, last but not the least, I'll make you understand what is roasting and what is calcination. The sulfide ores are converted into oxides by heating strongly in the presence of excess air, and this is known as roasting. The carbonate ores are changed into oxide by heating strongly in limited air, and this is known as calcination. Now I am coming to corrosion. We all know corrosion from in the last video I have taught you what is corrosion. Corrosion means rusting. With time, iron metal gets corroded. So how it can be prevented? The rusting of iron can be prevented by painting, oiling, greasing, galvanizing, chrome painting, anodizing, or making alloys. So what is galvanizing? Galvanizing is a method protecting steel and iron from rusting by coating them with a thin layer of zinc. So this is corrosion and prevention of corrosion. So I guess you like my teaching today's episode. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.